What a day we had on AMC today. More than 7% up, almost 8%, and more than the 7 or 8% that I'm happy about. I'm happy that we broke resistances and we kept the support. Okay, it's exactly what I talked about in the last video. I'm gonna show it to you today. Exactly what I talked about last video, how it came out to fruition today, and what to expect for the rest of the week, because we know if we've been with AMC for a while, you never know. Monday can be good, and the next day, ton ton ton. Let's see if it's gonna be ton 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 or tin tin tin. All of this and more bad singing after the video of the intro, of course. This one. Okay. It's me again. Let's look at the lovely chart. This is the chart of the daily. If you want subscribes to see everyday updates on AMC, let's look at the daily. This is what we have so far. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 candles in a row green. We had a red day because it was like this, but basically the candles are green. We broke this resistance right here, so this is a positive sign. And now I'm gonna put all my supports and resistances in the chart. 3, 2, 1, boom. And now I will show you what I talked about in the last video. As you can see, we had this channel that we were trading in, okay? And we broke out of this channel, okay? Now, not only we broke out of the channel, we broke out of this strong resistance right here. This 16.3 to $16 mark, okay? We broke out of it, and if we look closely, I have what I marked from the last video. Okay, you can see in the last video I talked about this triangle right here. I said we broke out of it in the end of Friday, and I said what I expect is these lines, and that's why they're here. I expect us, and this is what I want to happen also, to break it to the upside and then get a support here. This is why this line is here. I wanted to get a breakout from this, and I didn't want to just moon up. I wanted us to go and test it as support, and it's exactly what we did. Wow, so nice. It's exactly what we did. Okay, so we went and used this as support, and you can see this nice candle. We tried again and again. We are getting the support from this area. You can see it even on the 5 minutes, how nice. We broke it, tried to break it, got resisted. Okay, the resistance here. Again got resistance, but we broke it and we held it twice here. Once here and once more here. And we mounted the VWAP. This is the VWAP right here. We mounted it, and now we are on top of the VWAP, on top of the support. And from this, I really expect more good to come to us. Okay, you can see the RSI is a little bit oversold on the 4 hours. On the daily, we have more room to go. Okay, and this is where it gets dangerous. Okay, in a good way. Once we break this, the next level is the $20 level. I think this is where we are heading next. There is a chance that we're gonna have like a crazy AMC day this week. We just need to go 20% more to hit this $20 mark. This is where I believe we will get our next resistance, unless something crazy will happen and we're gonna go a little bit more up. If momentum will come and if more options will come, and if it's gonna be like a hype for AMC, it can definitely happen. But if we don't look at anything crazy happening, because you can see here we just broke it very quickly. We had just for 2 days over here in this resistance last time over here. So we got up of it, rejected, okay, got 2 days here, and then went back up. Last time we went up all the way at the top to 34.30, Okay, so this is what I expect for this week. I want to get, and I think we will get, a touch of this $20 level, which is about 20% from where we are at. It can happen in a day, it can happen in a few days. I don't know, I'm not a crystal ball. I just see the next level, and this is where I expect us to go. In the bear case, we have to talk about this too. I don't want to make illusions. I want to tell you exactly what's happening. In the bear case, if you see that we are doing something like this, let's move this 1 second. If we see that we are doing something like this, going down, holding this as resistance and going back down, okay, so the next level will be 1470, and we're gonna go down from here, and probably if this happened, the rejection will be very strong, okay, from this kind of level. If when you get rejected, it's gonna be a strong rejection, and we can get to the $14 mark very, very quickly, okay? About the SPY, we started good, and this is exactly what I said in my video yesterday. I will show you now me talking about the SPY in our last video. Let's take a look at what I said exactly and look at the chart over here. You can expect to at least touch it, get green to the 1% green, something like this, very fast in this day. But there is one thing that bothers me with that. This is what bothers me the most for Monday. So if you're optimistic, there is the big chance for red day. On Monday, Jim Cramer is ringing the opening bell for the New York Stock Exchange. I don't have anything more to say about that, but that's a risky move. As you can see, guys, Jim Cramer ring the bell. It's exactly what I said it's that's going to happen. Okay, we touch exactly where I said we will touch, and then the Jim Cramer effect hit us, and of course the stock market can't finish green when Jim Cramer is involved. So of course we had to have this big dump. And Jim, if you hear me, it's all because of you. This is it for today. We'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, shmurshpribe, everything that you need to do to follow, so you can see me in the next video every day covering AMC, and you will know exactly what to do, where you're at, and what to expect. See you.